Okay, guys, look how bad it's raining outside. Like, you can't even see over there. Like, it's so foggy. Like, I was just playing Gotham City Imposters with my friend Trey. Trey, you can talk.
Hi.
Okay. And just, all I see is all this. Like, you can see the rain right there. Just look at that. I'm sorry, I was drinking soda. Like, Jesus. Just, like, it stopped a little bit. You might have just saw the lightning. Just, jeez. Like, just look at it over there. It's so blurry. Just, jeez. Here, I'll let you guys see in another view. Just kidding. Just kidding for this one, too. Okay, now just look at it. Look at everything. Just terrible. Jeez. Like, look at the puddle. It was just like regular. Now look how big it is. Jesus. God damn. Okay, now this is as regular as I can get it. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's stopping. Jeez, the lightning. Alright, well, I'm going to end this video off here. Maybe I'll make a video of me playing Gotham City Imposters. So, yeah. See you guys next time. Let's just get a little bit of this.